Question is given x power y is equal to y power x. So we have to find out the value of x and y. So how we can find out this value? Let's see. Solution. First, what is given? X power y is equal to y power x. This is given. Now we can consider, let y is equal to kx. We have to consider that y is equal to kx, where there is one condition where k is equal to constant. K is constant. Now we can x is equal to x power y. So we have to write this x power y is equal to kx. So this is kx is equal to y is equal to kx. So kx raised to x. Clear? Now taking square root. We are taking here square root both side. Square root of x raised to kx. This one is equal to square root of kx raised to x. Kx raised to x. Now we can write this x raised to kx raised to, this is square root, so we can write this 1 by 2 is equal to kx raised to x raised to 1 by 2. This is also square root, so we can write this 1 by 2 in power. We know the formula a power m power n is equal to, we can write this a power mn, or equal to, we can write this a power n power m. So using this formula we can write this x raised to k raised to this one, x raised to k raised to x by 2. We can write this x by 2 is equal to, we can also write this k x raised to x by 2. Now multiply both side. Multiply both side by 2 upon x in power. We will get x raised to k raised to x by 2 raised to 2 by x is equal to kx raised to x by 2 raised to 2x. Now you can see here, we can cancel this one and from here this one. So we have left term, that is x power k is equal to kx. Now dividing both side, because we have to eliminate this term here. So dividing both side by x, we will get x raised to k x power k divided by x is equal to kx divided by x. Now we can cancel this one, so therefore k is equal to x raised to k divided by x. But we know this formula a power m divided by a power n is equal to, we know this formula a power m minus n. So we can write this k is equal to x power, here power is 1, x power k minus 1. This is the value of k here. K is equal to x power k minus 1. So x power k minus 1. Now we can multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by power of 1 upon k minus 1. Then we will get, taking power here, 1 upon k minus 1 is equal to x power k minus 1 times 1 upon k minus 1. So we can see here k minus 1, k minus 1. This will cancel here. So we got k power 1 upon k minus 1 is equal to x. So we can say this is the value of x here. X is equal to k raised to 1 upon k minus 1. This is the value of x here. But we know that we already considered y is equal to kx. So y equal to kx. So this is the k and value of x, that is k raised to x, that is 1 upon k minus 1. K raised to here k upon k minus 1. This is the value of y here. So we can write y is equal to k times k upon k minus 1. This is the value of y, and k is constant. We already considered that k is constant. So we can consider, if we are taking value, if k is equal to 3, we assume that k is equal to 3, then x is equal to k raised to 1 upon k minus 1. This is by equation 1. We here already considered, this is equation 1. Now substitute here k is equal to 3 in equation 1. Now x is equal to 3 raised to 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to, we can write x is equal to 3 raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 1 upon 2. Therefore we can write x is equal to 3 raised to 1 upon 2 means square root of 3. This is the value of x that we got here. Now we have to find out the value of y. Y equal to y equal to k raised to, here k raised to k minus 1. This is the value of y, we got that. So we have to substitute here k equal to 3. Then we will get y is equal to 3 upon, this is 3, that is value of k, 3 upon 3 minus 1. Y equal to 3 raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we can write this y is equal to 3 raised to 1 by 2 times 3. We can write this one. So we can write this like y equal to, this is 1 upon 2, that is square root of 3. So we can write square root of 3 cube. Y equal to square root of 3 raised to 3. This is the value of y. Now we have to verify this value. Is this correct? So to verify, we can check this value. To verify, we know that question is given x power y is equal to y power x. This is given here. So value of x, what we got in here, we can say this is the square root of 3, and value of y square root of 3 raised to 3, square root of 3 raised to 3 equal to value of y square root of 3 raised to 3 power x, that is square root of 3. So we can write this square root of 3 here. So we can write this 3 raised to 1 by 2 times 3 is equal to square root of 3. We can write this, and this is 3 raised to 1 by 2. So we can write this 3 raised to 1 by 2. So we can write here square root of 3 raised to, this is, we got this 3 by 2 is equal to square root of 3 raised to, we also when here we take when LCM, then we will got 3 raised to 3 by 2. So you can see both sides, square root of 3 raised to 3 times 3 by 2 and square root to 3 raised to 3 times 3 by 2. So both sides same. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way we can say value of x and y is correct. So x power y is equal to y power x is proved here. And value of x is square root of 3. Value of x is equal to square root of 3. And value of y is equal to square root of 3 raised to 3. This is the solution. Thank you.